Cleveland is the second largest city of Ohio and the largest city on Lake Erie. Cleveland is part of Cuyahoga County, the Buckeye State's second largest county, and the greater Cleveland region is ranked as the 33rd largest metropolitan area in the country. Cleveland is also a hub for arts and culture. It is home to Playhouse Square, the country's second largest performing arts center, and the Cleveland Museum of Art, one of the most popular museums in the world. It is also known for being a big sports town, with the Cavaliers, the Browns, and the newly renamed Cleveland Guardians being the major pro sports teams. Cleveland's nickname is the Forest City, as it's an integral part of the Cleveland Metro Parks Nature Reserve System. The cost of living in Cleveland is lower than some areas of Ohio and the rest of the nation. While the area was hit hard by the pandemic, it is rebounding. Cleveland's median rents and home prices are both well below the national average, but the city is still struggling in its unemployment stats. Cleveland's jobless rate soared to over 20% during the pandemic, but it has greatly improved over the past year. This could put homeownership on hold for those affected, while higher-priced rent units might remain vacant. The median home price in Cleveland is $165,000, exactly 50% lower than the national average. Even with 13% year-over-year growth, the Cleveland real estate market is vastly more affordable than in other areas of the country. This is good news for investors looking to break into the market, though homes tend to get snapped up quickly at these low prices. The median rent in Cleveland as of March 2021 was $1,158, well below the national figure of $1,705. Despite these comparatively lower rents, it's still more affordable to buy a home than to rent one in Cleveland and in other parts of northern Ohio. In the last few years, the rental vacancy rate has been high, but it has dropped to 5%, nearly 2% less than the national average. The fluctuating vacancy rate could be an indicator that more people are taking advantage of the lower cost of homeownership, or that residents left the city during the pandemic in search of more space. Cleveland foreclosures are at 0.5%, marking a 0.2% decrease year over year. They are higher than the national average of 0.33%, but both of these figures are still under 1%. Cleveland is home to many corporate headquarters, including Alaris American Greetings, Sherwin-Williams Company, Things Remembered, and Vitamix. Jones Day, one of the country's largest law firms, was founded in Cleveland. Cleveland has a number of financial service firms, including Forest City Realty Trust and Victory Capital Management. The Federal Reserve Bank of Cleveland, one of a dozen banks in the National Federal Reserve System, is located downtown. Cleveland is on the technology industry's radar, with a number of tech startups setting up shop in the city, including Oryx Capital Markets, Complion, Able, Snip Internet, and Champ Titles. Additionally, NASA's Glenn Research Center is located in Cleveland. Cleveland is home to premier healthcare facilities, including the Cleveland Clinic and the University Hospital's Cleveland Medical Center. The Cleveland Clinic is the city and state's largest employer, with more than 50,000 employees. Cleveland is a good place to be a professional sports fan. Although 2016 was the last time any city team won a championship, the city still hums with energy on game day. Cleveland is also the site of the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. The Buckeye State is well known for its colleges and universities, and there are a number of top schools in Cleveland and the surrounding area. The aptly named University Circle is home to a number of institutions of higher education, as well as K-12 schools. Case Western Reserve University and University Circle is a renowned private research institution offering undergraduate and graduate degrees. Cleveland State University in the downtown area is Cleveland's public four-year university that is the campus home of around 16,000 students. Cuyahoga Community College, the city's two-year community college, is also in downtown Cleveland. In the Cleveland suburbs, notable institutions of higher education include John Carroll University in University Heights, Ursuline College in Pepper Pike, Notre Dame College in South Euclid, and Baldwin Wallace University in Berea. In addition, Oberlin College is a top-notch liberal arts institution located in Oberlin, a town less than an hour's drive southwest of Cleveland. With the high concentration of college students, investors in student housing will find a wealth of opportunities in and around Cleveland, particularly in the University District of the city. Although the median home price in Cleveland is far below the national average, more than half of households are renters. University Circle, part of Cleveland's University District, is aptly named because of its concentration of institutions of higher education that attract more than 13,000 students. Downtown Cleveland has always been a popular place to be because of its many attractions, including shopping, dining, and nightlife. The warehouse district, which got its name for being at the crux of the commercial industry in the 19th century, is nationally recognized as a historic district and one of the city's original residential neighborhoods. About 5 miles west of downtown is Edgewater, right at the edge of Lake Erie. It is known for its picturesque tree-lined streets and the Clifton Boulevard Historic District retail corridor. Solon is a Cleveland suburb that consistently makes various best of lists, including best places to live and raise a family. The school system receives top marks, and the area is among the safest in the city. The median home price is around $340,000, well above Cleveland's median. With that in mind, it's important to do your research and thoroughly vet every opportunity before you invest. The Greater Cleveland Regional Transit Authority makes it easy to get around the city, so investors should look at other towns that are on the RTA routes. With the median home prices far below the national average, Cleveland can be alluring for investors. However, limited inventory means quick action is needed to close the deal. While it does cost less to own a home in Cleveland than to rent, more than half the city's residents remain tenants, which means rental investors will have the upper hand in the Forest City.